Morning, my dear students. Actually, the chapter which I am carrying you through is not a part of your syllabus. But what compelled me to make this video, does anyone know? Yes, it is in fact the grammar portion of the board exam of this year. If you have the question paper, you can see question number 5 of set number 1. That already has been discussed in the class. There are 4 blanks to be filled and they all 4 are from this chapter only which I am going to discuss. No. This chapter is not new. It is in fact a part of verb chapter. Today in this fundamental video, I'm just going to give you the basic ideas of this chapter. A verb is a kind of parts of speech that tells about an action or state. This is definition of this chapter. Now let me describe the classification of this chapter. Verb. Mainly verb has been classified in 2 parts. The first one is your finite and the second one is your non-finite. Finite can be substituted as changeable. Why it is called changeable? Because when finite verb comes in a sentence, it changes its form according to subject and tense, whereas non-finite verb never changes. Whether the subject is changed, whether the tense is changed, it is never changed. The verb which never changes is called non-finite verb. The verb which changes its form according to subject and tense is called finite verb. Now let me describe. Finite verb has been classified in 2 different parts. The first one is well known to you, that is your main verb. You can call it principal verb as well. The second one is helping verb. You can call it auxiliary verb as well. Now principal verb or main verb has its 5 forms. You are well aware of V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Here I just want to have some technical tips. Mostly students get confusion in using V1 and V5. Technical tip says V1 is plural in form, V5 is singular in form. How V1 is formed? When you have any Hindi word that is verb, you are going to change it into English and the word which you find is your V1. It means, what I want to tell, V1 is a verb form. It is the real English word of that Hindi verb having no S or ES with it. That is why I have just done here V1 plus S or ES, means S or AS will not be there. Now let me describe V5. V5 is singular form. V1 will be there. Here with V1 we have to use S or ES. Clear? The creation which you are going to find after adding S or ES with V1, that is called your V5. Now one more technical tips is here. Just see, 5 appears like S, singular begins with S, verb takes S or ES. Here what is common? S and S. S stands for singular, where S or ES with a verb is not there is your plural. This is your fundamental. Now next side, helping verb is there, auxiliary verb is there. I will discuss it, I will explain it also in next video. But let see here, I have taken 2 words. First one is read, second one is plays. The meaning of read is padhna. When you have this Hindi word and you are going to change it into English, the word you have got read. This is first form. What I said, when we are going to add S or ES with V1, the result, the creation which you find, that is, for example here say play plus S, the result you find, it is plays. What I give you technical tips, that this S appears like S. This S is S here. It appears like 5. Clear? Then this verb can be considered as V5. Not only V5, this 5 will give you the idea of this S, and S stands for singular. Now see, if question is asked kills, this is V1 or V5. Two questions are there, V1 or V5, or another question is there whether it is singular or plural. The singular or plural. Now you can just see what I taught you in technical tips. This S here S and here 5, result is S, hence it should be singular. The answer of this question is singular. And the next question is there whether it is V1 or V5. You can just answer it is V5. Is there any problem? If any problem is there, I am going to give you one more example of V1. Now sleep. The word is sleep. Sleep is here. If same question is asked, it is V1 or V5. Same question here, it is singular or plural. Now, do you find S or S after this word? No. If S is not there, it means it does not give the clue from this 5. So the answer is V1. No S is there, so we cannot consider S for singular. It is plural. Answer is clear. Your sleep is plural and V1. That is principal verb or main verb. It is of two types. First one is transitive, which requires an object to clarify its meaning. And the second one is intransitive verb, which does not require an object to clarify its meaning. For example, you can see Ram eats a mango. Eats is verb here. This eats requires a mango to clarify the entire meaning of the sentence, whereas laughs does not need any object, does not require any object to clarify its meaning. So what the conclusion is eats is your transitive verb, whereas laughs is your intransitive verb. Now as per the commitment, we are going to classify now the helping verbs. Helping verbs have been classified in 3 groups. First one is primary helping verb, second one is modal helping verb, and third one is marginal helping verb. To remember primary helping verb, we have one trick, that is DBH. I have written here, that is DBH. D, B and H. Basically D stands for do, B stands for be, and H stands for have. Now from do we have taken 3 helping verbs. First one is do itself, second one is does, and third one is did. Now from B we have taken 8 helping verbs. The first one is be itself, second one is was, third one is been, fourth one is, fifth one is am, sixth one is are, and seventh one is were, and eighth and the last one is being. And from H we have taken 3 helping verbs. They are has, have, and had. Now the term comes of modal helping verbs. To remember all the modal helping verbs in very simple form, I have created one trick. The trick is SMCOW. SMCOW, remember it like simple man is cow. S stands for simple, M stands for man, is, and COW is itself a meaningful word over here. Now how I am going to give you the benefit of this trick to remember. Write SMCOW in the left side as it is written in my copy. You can see. Just wait. You have to write this SM cow in this way. Later S stands for shall and should, M stands for may, might, and must, C stands for can and could, O stands for auto, W stands for will and would. Now I have in right side I have given the number also, that with the help of S, shall, should, two modal verbs are there. With the help of with the help of M, may, might, must, three helping verbs are there. With the help of C and with H, we have taken three helping verbs. They are has, have and had. Now the term comes of modal auxiliary verbs. To remember modal helping verb, I have created one simple trick, that is SM cow. S stands for simple, M stands for man, is to complete the meaning. COW, cow itself, is going to play a vital role in this trick. Now how it is going to give you benefit, just see. SMCOW, you write down SMCOW in this manner. Then S stands for shall and should here. With the help of S we have two modal auxiliary verbs. Now M stands for may, might and must. With the help of M we have three modal verbs are here. Now C, with the help of C we can take can and could. With the help of C also we have two modal helping verbs here. Now with the help of O we have only one, that is out to, it is one. Now with the help of W we can take will and would. They are two in number. By adding you are going to get 10, means all the modal helping verbs are 10 in number. Now the last term is of marginal helping verbs. Marginal helping verbs, it is also very simple to remember. I have made one trick more again. DUN. Remember, whenever you go to visit any place through Delhi, don't leave your train in Delhi. Why? I have written here Delhi utarna nahi. D stands for Delhi, U for utarna, N for nahi. This is a very simple thing. With the help of that you can remember it. D stands for there, U for used to, and N for need. Now I am going to give you the trick to remember the classification of finite verb, that is F, AMIT, MPM. How will you remember it? I am going to give you a friend. The name of the friend is Amit. He lives in MP, and next time he is going to be the PM. Understood? Now see the benefit of this. Now F, I have written the same thing, F, Amit, MPM. Friend is there. The name of the friend is Amit. He lives in MP and he is going to be the PM. Now this F stands for finite. This A stands for auxiliary verb. This M stands for main verb. This I stands for intransitive verb. This T stands for transitive verb. This M stands for modal helping verb. This P stands for primary helping verb, and the last M stands for marginal helping verb. I expect this trick will help you a lot to keep all the things in your mind properly. This is about the fundamental knowledge of verb. Rest many things are there that I will explain in next video. Goodbye.